Hi everyone, my name is Anastacia and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to share with you some tips and tricks on how to make a successful YouTube channel. As someone who has been on this platform for years, I have learned a lot and I want to share my insights with you. First of all, let's talk about why you want to start a YouTube channel. Is it because you want to share your passion with the world? Is it because you want to create a community around a specific topic? Whatever your reason is, it's important to be clear on it. This will help you stay motivated and focused in your goals. The second tip is to find your niche. What makes your channel unique? What do you want to be known for? You don't have to be the best at something, but you should have a clear idea of what you want to do and how you want to do it. The third tip is to create quality content. This means investing in good equipment, editing software, and most importantly, your time. Make sure your content is engaging, informative, and entertaining. Your audience is your most valuable asset, so make sure you are giving them something worth their time. The fourth tip is to be consistent. Consistency is key on YouTube. You need to establish a schedule and stick to it. This will help your audience know when to expect your content and keep them coming back for more. The fifth and final tip is to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your channel. Your audience is what makes your channel successful, so make sure you are taking the time to connect with them. So those are my tips on how to make a successful YouTube channel. But remember, success means different things to different people. Don't get too caught up in the numbers or the views. Stay true to yourself and your goals, and the success will come. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video on social media. Until next time.